video describes the functionality of the utility section of the control system of the GIT RTP canister tester manufactured by Dynamic Design Pharma. I'm going to log in as a supervisor. The utility section is available to the supervisor and administrator levels only. And so I've logged in as a supervisor. My name is SU1. So I'm going to go into utilities. This is the screen that covers the utilities functions. What you see within here is a button that allows the control of the way that the data is outputted after a leak test cycle. The top selection is for printing at the local printer, which is a thermal printer located on the unit itself. And I can turn that on and off. The next one is remote printing, for printing to a remote printer that is connected to via Ethernet connection in the back of the unit. And again, I can turn that on and off. I can also select whether I want to store the data within the unit in its memory for retrieval via a computer or by wireless connection. And I can also turn on and off the creating of a bitmap image of the leak test results for saving within the unit memory in eventual retrieval. So that's one function of the utility section. Another function is to look at the memory within the unit in its capacity. It takes a couple seconds to retrieve the information. But what you see here in this screen is these are all in bytes. Describes the list, the cycle number, the current cycle number, the date, the time, the serial number of the unit. Then we have approximately 1 gig of total memory available. Most of it is free, and we have 7 megabytes used, 99% of the memory used. The next function is what's called the auto print. If that is activated and it's green, then the system will print every 10 seconds the pressure value within the canister on the local printer. This is used mostly for diagnostics and for development work. Normally that's usually just disabled. There's another button here for showing the basic information about the canisters that are going to be tested with the unit, which is a 190 standard canister size. And the next item is to change the brightness of the OIT. As you can see, it's usually kept at 100. Up here, you can see the current master counter value. The cycle number, or the master counter cycle number, is a number that is unchangeable and is assigned to every leak test cycle that is run, and this for audit trail purposes. The next two buttons allow setting the time and setting the current date. The next button, set of buttons here, allow selection of the language. This is for Chinese and this is for English. When Chinese is made, for now anyway, you can see all the entries are preceded by a small c. That's eventually that will be changed to the actual Chinese language. Down here we list the current software versions. Both the first one is the PLC program, the second one is the UIT program, and you can see they're version 1.1 each. And then of course the home button.